Polkadot Price Prediction. Polkadot current price is $37.05, which is up by 8.62%. 24-hour low was $33.52 and 24-hour high was $37.44. Market capitalization is up by 8.64% and the volume is up by 104%. Market dominance is 1.76%. And currently its market rank is number 6. Polkadot is an open source sharing multi-chain protocol that facilitates the cross-chain transfer of any data or asset types, not just tokens, thereby making a wide range of blockchains interoperable with each other. The Polkadot protocol connects public and private chains, permissionless networks, oracles, and future technologies, allowing these independent blockchains to trustlessly share information and transactions through the Polkadot relay chain. Polkadot currently has an allocation of 1 billion dot coins following the network's redomination from an initial maximum supply of 10 million in August 2020. So Polkadot price prediction. Polkadot hits a snag under $35, abandoning the upswing to highs past $40. .6 support at the 50 SMA on the 4-hour chart while trying to avoid declines under $30. Polkadot had staged an impressive recovery on Monday, extending the bullish leg from the recently formed support at $27. The token hit highs above $30 and pushed for gains beyond $35. However, bulls lost steam within a whisker of a confluence resistance created by the 100 simple moving average and the 200 SMA on the 4-hour chart. The mission to achieve a new record high beyond $40 seems to be a pipe dream at the time of the video due to the increased resistance beneath the confluence level. .6 higher support at the 50 simple moving average. If this immediate anchor fails to hold, we can expect DOT to tumble further and perhaps retest $30. The moving sim average convergence divergence, which is MACD indicator, had flipped massively bullish from last week. The indicator's upward momentum has dramatically reduced. At the time of this video, the MACD line prints a horizontal trend, implying that the sliced resistance path is sideways. On the other hand, traders should be lookout for the MACD's return into the positive region. Besides, if the MACD line, which is blue, crosses under the signal line, massive sell orders are likely triggered. Another dip below $30 may not stop at $27 but could extend the bearish leg beneath $20. Holding the support at the 50 SMA on the 4-hour chart will ensure market stability. Bulls will then have the time to focus on rebuilding the uptrend toward $40. Another bullish signal would be settling above the confluence resistance at $35. So Polkadot intraday levels: spot rate $33.6, trend bearish, volatility low, support 50 SMA on the 4-hour chart $30 and $27, resistance $35 and $40.